Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change oil Honda Pilot full guide. Begin by warming the engine, parking on level ground, and gathering tools. Drain pan, 17 mm socket, oil filter wrench, funnel, and new oil. Loosen the drain plug, drain the oil, replace the crush washer, change the filter, refill to the specified capacity, and check for leaks. Dispose of used oil properly at a recycling center and reset the maintenance minder if applicable. Before you start, confirm the correct oil type and capacity and lay out all supplies within easy reach. Use a quality oil filter and a new crush washer to avoid leaks and ensure a proper seal. Protect your hands and eyes and work on a level surface with the parking brake engaged. Keep rags and a drip tray ready and plan where you will recycle the used oil after the job is done. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more tips. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite makes it easy to read manuals and reference guides while you work, and it's super handy in the garage. Check the description for the link and other deals and consider grabbing one if you like reading on the go. Now let's get back to the video. Start by removing the oil fill cap to aid drainage, then loosen the drain plug and let oil run completely into your pan. While draining, remove the old filter, wipe the mount, and lightly oil the gasket on the new filter before installing by hand. Reinstall the drain plug with a new washer, refill with the specified amount, run the engine briefly, and recheck levels and for any leaks around the plug and filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.